Welcome to The Forestry, where backyard engineering becomes jaw-dropping power. These homemade wood splitters turn raw force into clean cuts. Bold designs, serious muscle. Ready to see genius in action? This homemade hydraulic wood splitter is pure efficiency. An 11-ton punch driven by a 5.5 kilowatts motor turns stubborn logs into perfect cuts with almost no effort. Auto return keeps the momentum flowing. Simple build, serious power wood splitting the smart way. This single-shaft wood chipper tears through branches with dual blades and a 6.5 HP engine. Built tough, built for results, turning piles of yard waste into clean chips in seconds. Pure efficiency, zero nonsense. This DIY mechanical log splitter has real muscle, but one detail matters most: the wedge. If it doesn't lock or hit with enough force, everything stalls. Dial in that pressure, lock it tight, and this machine turns stubborn logs into clean splits. Fast, smooth, unstoppable. This steam-powered wood splitter is a mechanical beast from another era. Once the heart of industry, it now stands as a roaring relic, massive power, old-school engineering. Impressive to watch, but modern tech has left giants like this behind. This vertical hydraulic log splitter is a no-nonsense beast. Built DIY but performs like a pro. One pull of the lever and it crushes knots, splits rounds, and delivers perfect firewood with zero struggle. Fast, compact, and brutally efficient. Hard to believe this beast was built at home. It rips through logs like nothing, showing off pure craftsmanship and raw hydraulic muscle in every split. This cylindrical wood shredder doesn't mess around. No blades, no finesse, just raw spiraling torque. It grabs the log, twists, tears, and shreds it apart like it's nothing. Simple, brutal, and built for domination. With 30 tons of crushing force and a custom segmenting blade, this log splitter turns the toughest timber into clean, perfect cuts. Built for pros who demand speed and power, it pushes through massive logs like they're nothing relentless, precise, and unstoppable. This V8 chainsaw is no toy, it's a full-blown monster. The industrial chain plus roaring V8 torque rips through 1-meter logs in seconds. Raw power, brutal engineering, and zero hesitation. This beast conquers anything you throw at it. This homemade log splitter is pure old-school power. With a roaring motor, spinning flywheel, and rugged steel frame, it crushes logs like they're nothing. No fancy tech, just raw invention and brute force, turning hard labor into firewood with unstoppable farmyard grit and timeless engineering.
Мне кричит не мельчи! Первый раз! Тепер носити. О, Іван Ігорівна почала рубати.
Who says wood splitting requires muscle? This DIY lever axe rewrites the rules. Its clever design multiplies force, making every strike faster, cleaner, and safer. Perfect for anyone gearing up for winter. Simple to use, surprisingly powerful, and built to prove that efficiency always beats raw strength.
Дякуємо.
Sometimes the smartest engineering is the simplest. This chainsaw-mounted firewood cutter turns raw muscle into clean precision cuts. No hydraulics, no motors, just leverage doing the heavy lifting. It looks basic until you see how effortlessly it slices through logs. Cutting lumber doesn't need a giant mill when you've got a setup this smart. The chainsaw glides along its rail with smooth accuracy, turning rough logs into clean, even boards. A quick spindle adjustment sets your thickness, delivering pro-level results right in the yard. Precision isn't just in the blade, it's in the hands guiding it. This bandsaw slices through hardwood like butter, but only because the operators read the grain, control the feed, and let the machine's power flow. Skill and engineering working as one turn each cut into smooth, efficient production. When a machine doesn't perform flawlessly, the whole workflow suffers. Here, the splitter's blade isn't long or sharp enough to push fully through the wood. Logs jam, progress slows, and every split becomes a battle. A powerhouse like this should slice clean, not stall halfway, and turn a simple job into a tiring repeat cycle. With machines like this custom-built splitter, precision should be guaranteed. But those handmade blades, they struggle for perfection. It works. Just don't expect smooth, flawless cuts every time. This wood peeling setup is built for serious output. Each pass strips thick layers clean, keeping the logs smooth and ready for shaping. The hydraulics stay steady, the frame holds firm, and the pace never drops. Speed, durability, and consistent finish exactly what real production looks like. This compact circular saw turns raw boards into clean, precise cuts with surprising power. The key is tightening every bolt and nut with care. Loose hardware can ruin threads and performance. When everything is dialed in, this little machine delivers pro-level results without breaking a sweat. Back when innovation ran on steam alone, this shingle grinder stood at the forefront of progress, chewing through timber and shaping perfect roofing shingles with relentless power and unbelievable efficiency. It wasn't just machinery, it was momentum. Fueled by a Volkswagen air-cooled engine, this custom log splitter brings engineering creativity to the backyard. Its design turns massive, twisted logs into clean splits with surprising ease, proof that when ingenuity meets raw torque, even the toughest firewood doesn't stand a chance. Built to dominate winter prep, this branch shredder tears through wood up to 120 millimeters thick without hesitation. Its rugged engineering and relentless throughput turn even the toughest, twisted branches into clean, manageable chips, keeping you ahead of the cold with pure power and efficiency. When a design pushes limits, wear shows fast. On this Astrakhan bandsaw, the undersized pulleys overload the blade, stressing the teeth until cracks appear. But a smarter setup changes everything. Fine-tune the tension or upgrade those pulleys, and suddenly the cuts stay clean, smooth, and built to last.
доску. Доску сними, отведи ее назад. Доску.
Engineered for serious productivity, this compact saw and split unit transforms raw logs into ready firewood with incredible control. Designed for small loaders and tractors, it boosts performance, cuts downtime, and lets operators stay focused on getting the job done fast. Smart concept, but one simple upgrade could take it to the next level. Add a guide bar to stop wildwood pieces from launching, boosting safety while keeping all the power and speed that makes this setup awesome. In today's world, hard work alone isn't enough. Smart engineering must lead the way. This shingle saw setup proves determination, but missing guards and protective gear put everything at risk. Automation and safety upgrades would transform this into a powerhouse of efficiency without sacrificing the people who keep it running. The Chekon Rex isn't just splitting wood, it dominates it. Heavy hit precision tears through stubborn birch, even at 50 centimeters thick. Pure toughness, zero compromise. "13 horsepower, pushing through the shaft non-stop. This portable sawmill turns raw logs into perfect boards with relentless power, built to keep cutting when others quit. Turning giant logs into flawless boards takes more than strength, it takes precision. This band saw glides through wood with smooth, controlled cuts, delivering accuracy on every pass. From rugged trunks to custom dimensions, it's built to handle real-world challenges with ease. Cutting firewood just got smarter. This stand locks logs in place, so every chainsaw pass is steady, fast, and precise. No slips, no struggle, only clean cuts. A rugged workhorse built for one mission: cut fast, cut clean. No fancy tech, no delicate parts. Just a raw, powerful log-slicing machine that chews through timber like it's nothing. When the job demands results, this is the kind of uncompromising reliability you want by your side. Unstoppable timber power in motion. This Schepser machine grabs massive logs like they're nothing, lifting, feeding, and shredding them with precision hydraulics. From forest stack to clean wood chips in seconds, speed, control, and raw industrial muscle built for serious production.